Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing well. Now, today I'm back with a new chapter from the book Beginning Activities, Book 3. And the name of the topic is Phonic Sounds, page 3940. Now, children, let us know what are phonic words. Phonics involve matching the sound of spoken English with individual letters or group of letters. So if we learn phonics, then we will be able to learn the spellings easily. So children, today we are going to learn some of the phonic blend sounds. Now the first phonic sound that we are going to learn is GL, gla. GL, gla. Let's read the words that start with gla. GLOW, glow. GLAD, glad. GLASS, glass. GLUE, glue. GLEE, glee. Now the next phonic sound that we are going to read today is PL, pla. PL, pla. And the words that starts with pla are PLUG, plug. PLUMP, plump. PLASTIC, plastic. PLAY, play. PLANE, plain. Now the next blend that we are going to read is SL, slur. SL, slur. The words are like this. SLIP, slip. SLEEP, sleep. SLIT, slit. SLOT, slot. SLUG, slug. Now the next blend that we are going to read is BR, bra. BR, bra. BROWN, brown. BRING, bring. BRICK, brick. BRAY, bray. BRAT, brat. You all will learn this blend words, phonic blends at home, okay? Now the next phonic blends that we are going to read are GR, gr. GR, gr. GROW, grow. GREY, grey. GRAPES, grapes. GRIP, grip. GREEN, green. And the next phonic sound that we are going to read is DR, dr. DRIVE, drive. DRUM, drum. DRIP, drip. DRINK, drink. DRY, dry. The next phonic sound that we are going to read is CR, cr. CR, cr. Now the words are CRY, cry. CROW, crow. CRAB, crab. CRIB, crib. CRAWL, crawl. And the next phonic sound is FR, fra. FR, fra. The words are FRY, fry. FROG, frock. FRILL, frill. F-R-O-W-N, frown. F-R-I-S-B-E-E, frisbee. So children, these are the phonic sounds that we have learned today. So children, we have learned some of the phonic blend sounds. At home, you are going to learn the phonic sounds. And till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day.